Hi friends, I am Danvinde. I am going to prepare shake. Ingredients: sugar, milk, boost, nuts, chocolate, banana. Firstly, milk, boost, nuts, chocolate, banana, sugar. 12. Nuts, add chocolate, add boost in the glass. Add shake. Nuts, add chocolate, top, boost. Wow. Hi friends, my name is Akshita. I am going to cook a pig. Are you ready? Took pot and then water. Turn on gas. Water boils. Ingredients: water, sugar, milk, tea powder. Add 1 spoon tea powder. Add 3 spoon sugar. Add milk. Our tea is ready. You want my tea? Come on. Thank you. I am Diya Parvai. Today I am cooking Maggi. First put the pot on the stove. Boil the water. Add Maggi and masala. And cover. And cook well. Maggi is ready. Hi, I am Diya. Today I am cooking an omelette. Put some oil in the pan. And use middle and low flame. Crack an egg. And add a salt. Then move the omelette flip in other side. The omelette is ready. Hi friends, I am Anshika. I make lemon juice. We need lemon and water and sugar. Add lemon. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix well. Super. Hi friends, let's make healthy laddu. First, let us fry alchemist powder and catered coconut. Then blend in misty. Now let us add jaggery into it. Mix again and make small laddus. I am Anaya, study class 3A. Take a bowl, add sliced potatoes, add some chili powder, add some salt, add some turmeric powder. Mix it well. The pan on the gas. Add some oil. Put the potatoes on pan. Mix it well. Keep it for 30 minutes. Put the potato fry in another bowl. Ready. I am Safwan. Potato fry recipe. Ingredients: potato, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt and oil. Preparation: round cutting potato, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt. Mixing. Oil in a frying pan. Potato fries are good. Potato fry ready. Hi teacher, I am your Fatima. Omelette recipe. Ingredients: egg, salt, pepper, green chilli, onion. Salt, pepper, takari, or onion, green chilli, mix it well. Oil on fry pan. Omelette ready. Then we are making tasty tacos. Boil milk. Add sugar. Mix it. Add tacos. Mix it well. Very yummy taste. I am Avindraj. I am prepared papadam fry. Oil. Papadam. Fry. I am Apsara. I am prepared kondatam. Kondatam ready.
Hi teacher, good morning. I'm Nada. I'm here with a video. I'm going to make instant coffee. See, the ingredients are instant coffee powder, sugar, boil the milk. Take a cup. Put some sugar. Then put a spoon of instant coffee powder. Now add boil the hot milk. Then mix it well. Let's taste. Oh, it's so yummy.
Hi, I am Chandra. Today going to make potato fry. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Oil, sunflower oil. Fry it well. Potato fry ready. And I am Ananya. I am going to teach if I make it today. I will manage the ingredients. I will. How to make the food. Instant. I will. Bowl. I will. Then jaggery. Then jaggery powder. Rava, give water, sugar. First boil and water. Then pour coffee powder and sugar. Coffee ready. I am Vinda. Chili powder, turmeric, salt, potato, oil.
Dear friends, I am Archie. Today I make a cold drinks and hot coffee. Next, first one cold drinks. Take 1 glass water and add 1 teaspoon tango powder and 2 teaspoon sugar. Mix. My cold drinks ready. Yummy! Next one, I making coffee. Take 1 glass, add 1 teaspoon coffee powder and 1 teaspoon sugar. Then add 1 glass hot milk. Mix them. Your coffee is ready.
I am Ananya. I am cooking potato fry. I am Shibila. Banana juice. Ingredients: milk, sugar, roasted banana. Sugar. Roasted.
My name is Shadar. I making potato fry. Ingredients: salt, chili powder, chicken masala, turmeric powder. Make mix it well. Potato fry is ready.
Hi teacher, I am Yasrina. Coffee. I am 1 spoon sugar. Coffee powder. Then milk. Coffee ready. Ready. I am Atmay. Today I am making parambuli, broccoli, rice bowl, turmeric, salt, onion, banana. First, butter. Mistake. The pani puri is ready. Friends and teacher, my name is Ahanya Sujit. I am to prepare a dosha. Put some oil. Pour some batter. Dosha is ready. Hi friends and teacher, I am Adavi today. Today I am here to prepare a lemon juice. Water, sugar, lemon. First water, water. Add water. Sugar. Add some sugar. Add some sugar. Lemon. Put some lemon. Put some lemon. Which one? Lemon juice is ready. Open. Make a cold coffee. 3 teaspoons sugar. Warm water. Mix. Ice milk. 4 teaspoons. Mix well.
And first, potato fry recipe. Ingredients: potato, chili powder, chicken masala, salt, oil. Mixing. Ready. Potato recipe.
I am Shahid. Potato fry. Ingredients: chili powder, salt. Mixing. Mix it. And potato fry ready. Fried bread. Ingredients: bread, sugar, egg, oil. Cut the egg. Add 2 spoons sugar. And heat this pot on the stove. Heat the pot. 1 spoon oil. Dip the bread. Roast is ready. Okay, Aramika. I am prepared egg omelette. Onion, green chili, salt, egg, mix. 3 minutes. Egg ready.
I am Abin. Today I am going to the make kondatam. Kondatam ready.
I am Nehan. I am cooking tea. Ingredients: milk, water, bread. Milk, water. Add tea powder. Add sugar. Teaspoon. Hi friend, പേര് വൈഗ. ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് ചെറുപ്പുട്ട്, ശർക്കര, വെള്ളം, തേങ്ങ, സോഡ ready. Hi teacher, today I am making a coffee. Yes, coffee powder, milk, sugar.
Coffee ready.